Morning! Good morning! Another Saturday, another music video. Seems to be our new normal now. During the winter, we've got music videos in the winter and weddings in the summer and fall. We are in Luton at a school that one of the band members teaches at, recording studio video for Hawk and Heron. They're a new band. They were Absinthe Rose before, and then they changed their name. So we're here doing that. One of Nick's best friends is in the band. This is the place. Can you see it? Typical like basement studio. It's not in the basement, but it looks like it. And then over here is where the loud stuff happens. Gonna do the same thing as the last few music video vlogs, vlog behind the scenes. So this is a private school and it is so nice. Look at this little like lounge area. So you're bringing in all the snacks.
Yeah, it's some good energy.
Boom.
Of course.
Wow, for a picnic.
Oh shit. Juice.
Oh, nice lip.
That was perfect.
I know.
Right?
Fell right on
A little bit of this.
Cool. Good mojo.
Yeah, mojo. Little shocker for the baby. She's been moving like crazy today.
Yeah.
She's like, what are we doing?
We
So I'm
need
gonna
tables.
put this in the drum area. Amazing.
If we get that, then like, is there anything you want?
Yeah, they like sell drum screens.
Yeah, a mattress. You can put a mattress there.
I forgot my fucking mattress.
There's no beds in this building.
What?
What kind of house is this?
Okay.
I'm Johnny Knoxville. This is jumping into a beanbag. It's not Beanie. What?
What do you want?
You're so close. See up her nose. Oh, no.
Manual focuser.
I have to. It doesn't do it. Look at this little girl. Bing. Cute. Alright, you want me to tuck it in? Boom. No more girl. It's really funny because we can't hear anything when they're talking to each other.
Ooh, I like that mix.
See what I mean? I feel like I've been here for ages. It's a little slow, like Warmay would be. Vlogging.
Are you?
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't even know when I vlogged last.
You vlog now. Just do it.
I
Welcome to the
know.
vlog. Welcome to the vlog.
No, I already welcomed you to the vlog. Where have you
a new
been?
Quincy chorus, right?
Yes.
Wow.
It's like,
Damn, you went.
that's cool.
Good for TV.
This is so natural. Dude, this is like so freaking natural. This is very natural. I don't feel weird at all. Can you like tell how natural this is right now? It's really
Carrots and peas and carrots.
Oh, I love it. Oh, I see what you're doing. Dig it.
That's great.
We have a good time.
We have fun here.
Oh, I can't wait to see these. Thank you so much.
You look so tall because they're leaning.
Guys, we finished the music video. It's really hard to record when you are also doing behind the scenes for Nick and pictures for the band. We are done recording now, which is really weird because it's still right outside. How do you feel about it?
I feel good.
Yeah? Good studio video?
Yep.
I think so too. I think it'd be a good studio video. But it's sunset now and we're heading home, which is gonna be a pretty ride.
Let me know when I get closer.
Okay, we made it back home. Camera said so I'm going to put it on the charger. I might vlog tomorrow, but if I don't, just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next vlog.